In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add geotag to your photos for free. Let's do start. For this, go to your browser and open this website www.geoimgr.com. By using this tool you can add geotag to your 5 photos for free per day. You will need to buy Pro subscription for more than 5 photos. Now click on Start Now button. Now simply upload your photo here. And put latitude and longitude values of your geolocation. Then scroll down. And in document name field write name of your document, as my document name is Content Writer Service in Perth. Same as in description field, put description for your document. You can leave blank this as well. For now I will keep blank description field. Now click on the right EXIF tags button to add geotags on your photo and then download your photo. Now go to your downloaded photo and right click on it, then select properties and then select the details tab, and scroll the page. You will see now your photo have latitude and longitude values. You can also put other details here such as title, subject and more values. After putting values in the fields, click on apply button. Everything has done now. Thanks for watching. You can share this video with your friends and team. You can also subscribe our YouTube channel for new videos update.